Today I will show how to buy shares of Haymaker Acquisition Corp. 4. It is a special purpose acquisition company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker HYAC, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy HYAC, you need a brokerage account. We will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker HYAC to locate the listing. Select the result that matches Haymaker Acquisition Corp. 4 on NASDAQ to ensure it is the correct stock. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker HYAC so you are trading the right asset. Tap Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled for the next market open, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient before confirming. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For a direct link to eToro and more information, check the description below.